Are you looking for a way to make your calendar invites stand out on someone's calendar? Want to bring a little fun to your day and to your calendar? Do you just love emojis? Use them in your calendar invites. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to add emojis to your calendar events. Let's get started. When creating a calendar event, insert an emoji. That's it. If you add guests, the emoji will show on their calendar as well. So there you have it. Add emojis to your calendar events in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Subscribe and click the links below to follow us on social.
Hey, yo.